Merafwe ene wie nso me moajo mo akwaba e de wo baganga ye discussion iso wonim se enno ne duru ho no mo a e manipa bebre pese ye betena se na ye tie me ye duru ha no ma ye excited enyina na se da bia misua bibi foforo e de film enti da bibi beka se eto me nim die mu e ma menya bibi e de ka de me wo e ho na wonim se ye nya aba sei dia then semwa kese semwa yentante waso dem semwa ya na asofo dwen se enye no enche da anya important nti yenka ho asem no eno ne yede ba ha no ne abedwatem nti yenyina yehwe ganga no na nsem wesisi no na ye wie bi na yede abesi pon so ha na me wo adibi na me so me dibi na mapamfo wa hanso adibi na medwumedi no etimi ayede dede ye fra me maame ye bo siedu na mo betimi afra me maame gold when him say me nya atena sesa na show no we be de what you say and me gina ya hu say metwa metwi manim ade ti ha de na say hu say Juben House of Beauty adama omo na etwi manim mama me say ya me de ti he so hia enku makeups na bibia what be your skin de bia me catch say honom de one stop shop for all your beauty products ko e wo sesa no na mo show kama na emu me battery mi kama say dia short when you say me short in there na Samuela wo pipe na Zongo Junction na emu short to say di say Harriet na agye me aboso so Harry's Professions omo da kuman da kuman ICC asore no na nchen pe ho na Harriet ne ma ewo okwa say ye short to say kill so say den you wo bedwudwa ma ho etimi ayefe aso esifa ho na wotiri ho ekuku ache dodo ne nyina ka ho na mema mba omo mabi mo yu okun da bia wotwempra wo de ne nyempa bo sister wo de ne nyempa bo wotiri ho na nye ko ho ne yesiesi homa na wotimi asibrane ti ana okun kwasa na wafrɛ so kwaku wo gya me ho na wako hwe wo sa bo se watena se so atese Harriet ne dom nyame wo nhyira mo papa ana ma be de na se hu se nkrofo ebo machi dom no so doso enyumaku akuku dam a omunyuma no so akwanimu omo ne so masen na dwumedie na etimi eye kama onim se mbetena ha saade a na nyamesema ye de afuse ganga eno ene ye na eno so obi be ka nyamesema afuse ganga na etimi akoyie no wetimi ate ase ate abrabose a ofele se hwan ene betimi aka ne ye sen nyamese anamu eno so nti na me show yi de me invite asofo titiriu na wo motai ba na dwumedie ne etimi ayede enti ene se de wonim no masa to nsa ade afra me sofo ba ko de apostle what the radiant place asafo anasa sorry ano omo de omo hia wasikafuom Tesano Royal Hotel onye hu sesa hotel ho jeso obi ye wedding no ko jeso skani asa na yera ho ti obi obehye da akogye ho no se ho no ye na asore de eso wuska enti aso esi so you youth na wo pa asore papa kwa je se ti apone ya de fa ho na wo konso nyamesam de wo bo ama akoma toye ns Apostle Emmanuel Inkum ha na ono de obi kan say a traveler ene wo kwa ha na de ti no kwa ha na de ti wo kwa ha ti me twi ne sa was ma me wo de ye twi me sinyehwe twi ne fantia na what did it say ti pocho wo Ghana hada pocho yen kan fanti ne twi
pocho mati
Apostle pocho on to den
nyame ne homa bwa
bibia aboko okay ti bazana de be ka twi now they will fuse with English in kakran because o kono the way I kono with the radiant place ho no de ya hey just ye beja ho hanom ne de wako baby foforo baby aboko there why you sweet in so anya some kito with hey shiny shoe hey nyeni pato this time I saw for dress pa saying what's your view on that?
I think we represent a king and we cannot dress as slaves.
Hey, papa we need some but sanimam
in the realm of ambassadorial position, we have different kinds of ambassadors. Ambassador, and we have ambassador ordinary. Then we have ambassador extraordinary, and we have ambassador extraordinary potential.
Hey,
now, as so for no, we are like ye ginemu me urade wa asase so say ye nyankopon
we nyame nsia na
ensia name na wontumi engina baby ema oman Ghana a wogina mu ma etitiru ni bi a wo bedress na waye ho se wo yakwa and even if you serve a king and you were a slave, there's a particular dressing you wear that makes you look like somebody who is representing a king. Nti a king's kid is different than a slave.
And so that just would do ahisia. Who are ohene mani ohene na nanom a wo mafade eyesronko. It is a wugina wo hin bi nsia na emu ni na just nyame kokoko yi na mugina na nimu de ya. Mugina na na emu de ya. Ese se mo keka mo nsia ni.
Yes.
Asme si jai kasa. Ti wa weni abre a wo kasa ti asofo obi wo no bo hu se sofo okoro kuta ka papa. No problem. There be sofo kuta ka enye sei. Na wo normal sorry ba. Kuta ka papa. Asofo se say de monye competition. Oi. Yo, daddy, me san so mo akwa babiem. Ene ye hwe sa asem we. Ye hwe ganga mu no hu se ade bi etwe madwen pa de si so ye se. Baby ganga ko school no. Omo ye competition. Na omo po bi obekire omo asa. Na omo tutu omani, omo de omani ne na makire epe obi ka say professional. Na nipa na ba bekire omo. Say na omo teacher, one of their teachers. I will because say you look it down upon. Say we one of the best.
Wow.
And na akwala na ehu. Ti akwala na neti ampanifo na na say ye teacher yi. Oh you very good o. Ono kura ye best ah. Or ye dance sanka.
Wow.
Na so say ye nyina kura ye yeni e de afiri so. Eno na me de busa sem. At times ebia na wo gift kese pa. But baby I will find it no. You are being downplayed. Ebi kura look it down upon you. Ebi kura ono ma wo hunim pa say adom bi wo mu. Esi e wa sore dem. Esi e wo nwumem. Ebi wo hono ma sore dem. Sofo nim say sofo pani nim say sofo kitua bi kuta obi ka so carry bibi a emodu otimi tia ne so amoka ho. Ebi so ho nwumem obi nim say adom wa okuta no. Epia wa hwe abaye kese asen. Ano so otimi de wo hye baabi ni ade. Esi wo mia bibiri. Why is it like that? Senye say ye dey kwako wo ye na selfishly. Na say so ye dey boa for the total good of ebia adwuma anasa sorry anasa baby am wona. I think na it is.
First of all, I want to thank you for the privilege.
All right.
There is something called insecurity. It is the greatest deception of the enemy. Say obi wo hona ono anje ne ho ni say ono ebi oyesofo na wosofo kitwa na wo ye chechire ni wosofo no ye odifo a ono hu na ade na o hye nkom ese wo gidi say wo a wo ye chechire ni no odum na ewo wo so no it is what some people are really looking for.
Right.
And obi so ne hia de o hia say nyame obi a oye odifo be hu na brabom ene ne ekoso ne waka kire wo. So when you see somebody maximizing his potential, it is an expression of his.
Papa, ono oye abrofu asore sofo. Ti brofu ne ba sa relax ne tie bi. Na fafa dum mu ne enkoye ni. Koso why?
So, to who say obi exercising the potential, it is the definition of his credential. Ade bi e wo ne mu no e na kire se ne ono nipa ne te ba obi wo mu nsu na se odum bi wo no so na se ohu obi odum wo no so a number 1 insecurity osuro se nipa kon betia beje ne position efininsem.
Oh, okay.
Enti there is a book I read called 48 Laws of Power. One of the first law is never try to outshine your master. Enti won so na odum wo mu no manye bibi ma ne a wudi nechi no
ofele so person wo san ho.
Oh yes, so baba beji eyi na baba boss. Sometimes you have to do something and give credit to the person you are working with. E say wutumi ye bibi na wodi hu sunsun anso no e de man ne a oboa mo benya asan ginaye no e be ginaye no. Number 2, adekunti e mane ba ne sa ne say apart from the fact insecurity no familiarity breeds contempt. So obi wo ma otumi ehia obi enem so onim nipa kon na na se we hu na te say Yesu carpenter ni ba I feel begina so them at the age of 12 or say today the scripture is fulfilled and then nyame asema be we say send Isaiah kan no nyame sunsum wo me so na wo a we carpenter ni ba wo didi nnue mu aye nyina ye nimu we
so mo kora ka kire no
wo sorry a be begina wo be ka say we ye nyame na send Isaiah kan no ene na abamu ende enti no adebu ma
is nipa no fele so wonimu wo kura wo nyo obi asa
yes
mpaboa ya he
yes
na wa begina say wo se wo ye obi
yes
all right
and that one too is a very serious case because obu ma enti na ewiase no even though you have to work with people but there are people you don't have to share your weakness with there are people you don't have to share what you are going through with because they can use what you are going through today to judge you tomorrow.
Really?
Yes. Nti isumbu omu na wonkwa obetumi esu ane wesu. Ba woni mo bi a obetumi aka wesu ma asema che na woni say it is going to be with the person even to his grave, then it's okay. I say because we have ye wonkofo bebre a ye ne omonam wo wiase. We have confidence. Ni a wo hu na obetumi aka wesu ma asema che no na wogini dia obetumi edi bibie ru anum. No, the person is for you. The person is for you or homa. Enti na mfa wo se wo defuma na woni efra na se wo so no abafom or homa wo na ye wo constituent that constituent is somebody enu ni obi a
obi be ka se ba bia to aba
yes okay no obi a he is for what you are for enti na obi oto a oye politician bia no they ask you for manifesto manifesto is an expression of the manifestation of your intention.
All right.
Enti na no wo ba no ba manifesto na it is for constituent. Enti wo ka wo nipa na ebi kro mpewa asem ebi a wo ye tietia do ebi a wo sondo do ebi a wo ye tietia ebi a wo ye tentia do ebi kra na wo din kra poncho mpewa asem
obi so a wo wa do
ebi so ma wo ye tenten do what I say and just because of that fact you know why na gin so mpewa asem wo ma manifesto no we ye na ohun ne wo mu oba ba ye no o vote ma o until the person voted for you for what you are for, not for you.
All right. So then what you stand for.
Yes.
Not
for you.
Ideals now they but
yes.
Okay.
So the person is standing for your ideas. Then we have some people who are called the comrades. The comrades normally, you know, they fight who you fight.
How many Ghana food soldiers?
Obu oma, what town for you and a town for.
Sir, automatic.
Are you getting me? They say we Christiania. What time for you? Uncle time for. Until I say, touch not my anointed. Do my prophet no harm. Man, for one son can ya woman me master nongo. We are in a society. They are enemies. They are potentially an enemies. We should remember see. On one so who no on pewasem. So there is nothing you can do. Emana pewasem kranti. Oh, who bibia wo if it's all no we develop hatred wo mu e wo wo nya na hwe
and we are fixated.
Yes, fixated
hatred.
Yes. Then we have the finimis. It's a colloquial language.
Hey.
The finimis, you know.
Just lecture me. Cause one thing.
Finimis, you know. They are the most dangerous people. They are enemies that poses as friends. Omo nya dan fofo. Omo so they are not your omunye wadanfo but omo be se omo ya danfofo it's like snake in the grass.
My second question kwaso finimis no
enti sankofo no no omo ye ne say they will come as if they are friends but at the back of their mind they are serpentinely motivated.
Serpentine ne
I say owa order
just say overly motivated.
Yes, owa order bibi to say grass na na ono eye ne say o monitor wa I say obi o kan ho bi I say obi a but when they see your weakness then they strike.
Oh wow.
And they are the most deadliest among all of them.
Hey,
and these are some of the people like eya omo fa kwan bi so etina nkofo dom ne omo achede so. It is all, some of them might be even based on total envy. Sa kwai na say oba ye late coming ebi wo mo ho dada so ontumi nye konango kwaya ono ti wo no ontumi nye onim ontumi nchire obi asa but when we so we betumi achire obi asa no the fact say nipa kon wo ho a ono na nam ho no ebeko
me ba ya che syndrome.
Yes, me ba ya che syndrome. Nti o me dem ye ho dada ade no mo ma ye nye ono so ontumi nye ti wo de man obese no wo de mo bufufo so obese retia no ye onipa bi sa so ho ne ye ho ahoya spirit of jealousy
right
omomo de ande anya kra they are very
chirima no so te say
ahoya no I don't know
ahoya den na wahu de na amada ahoya na ba enya yi kuro ye
the truth of the matter is say obia in Africa no, because of the crabological syndrome say bia obi
ai je say so for kan nyina crabological na je say akoto enkoto ye crabological na takwa zebra fu no waye yo crabological na je say enkoto no honhom a ta nkofo ni ntare ye dem so for to adoma nna de
obi o mo rekosora na obi retwene san nature nya de bi ono pedo ko the fact is obi rekọ na nya ono no rekọ no ahoya na odi nature no hwe Joseph no nyi nuanom abazi na Joseph ye wanya won he in fact
also that too much
chede the number more the fact that he's dreaming alone he dreamt alone created enemies for him.
But aside that, instead of Sansu, your papa so favorite.
The father's favorite was as a result of the fact that the Bible said he was the son of the old age.
Yeah.
It means that there is a particular joy that the birth of that child brought to the father. Jabez say, "Ne mama wo no call ye omu sa nti o se be friend Jabez." Inti could be an incident that took place that made the father start loving him. It doesn't mean say ne na ne papa no ochiri nkofo no, but nkwada bu ma wo say omo nsroma ye different. Na no so no wo ye ja, nya say wo yi kire immediately.
Akwada bi no so tie wasem.
Good. Akwada bi so mo ya akwada pass mo be ka che ne bia otumi fa. And also so etumi be ye platform. Yeah. Ebema eja no betumi ado sa nipa kon no.
So for what can sem bebre some what can head the pa nyame nim ni. Na me musa se ekoba no se obi eyesa yi a obobo so nyina nipa categories ya obobo so nyina. Se obi etesa wo no awo the other side no ubehu ana. De enti am ebusa no sem ganga baby enkwala na oni omosa na ba ko bi ompena sem kura
wow
but who say akwala na akope because wakope deal dia break school na see school na iko nanim no wono anso de ne ho akwakogim obviously she's the best dancer e wo school mo ho wono anso de ne ho akwakogim said then any ganga say amase samaji say amabepe wasem ze makan ho e any ade enti wo say wo na form say fe me ho finimis no say wo mo na je so mo ye ma Finimis the ma.
No, Francis that poses as enemies.
Aye, but Finimis the ma no be make us see. It's yanko. It's you say girl no netiko no or person strike just as you said.
Yeah.
And so ganga dear or see sisi dear we have abeka buba beka ye hu ni omo ye nyina say sisi e be win ade no ono wako out wholeheartedly. But girl no has an agenda. So into Yensha say, how do you recognize such people?
First of all, if you're wadanfo, watanfo, suddenly by wadanfo, wabra a year position for fry de ma wunti, no by wadanfo now. When you say this is it could be that number one, the person want to be an internal person, so he can send signal to external people for an attack against your life. This is so profound. We have to talk about it. Adia, a woman is say, so be any. If somebody suddenly who is your obi oye wo tanfo ebe ye wo dofo a prekope na so person obeka wo ina kakuso ho no mo decide or make decisions bi na wo feel excited you are blindfolded because number one
ema wani nyisa say wo tanfo prekope obe ye
wadanfo because either say wa be say ade a wentumi anyew wa bra wunye obia no se se wa ba ye obia ye ba be wie. When you suddenly take an enemy to be a friend, either they are coming to finish what they started that they could not start, or they are coming to help you to upgrade because they realize there is something good inside of you. And you know,
you said something.
Yes.
And now said they are coming to help you to upgrade.
Upgrade yourself to the next
then
level.
how where do you draw the line between Sa'ad and me? You know?
Now, such people like that, you have to create a distance. As a woman, gab bambuni sani pakunintim. As the time has a voice. And Mary ewane. Yes. Inti won sorry na won mani pakono ba wa nafa and the bra me fie no won na ko bedroom na won ne wura debi esa woma mmiri ebedem na mmiri dem a wo behu ni tirimu popoche a ode ba wo nchen.
So for you sure?
I'm very very sure.
A bit to me operate ba. I don't say snake. Snake for snake dey wo da nwura mu green. Wo betimi a hye yi na se boko. Utie mu ano aso ne.
But it is also time that allow them to strike. So you also have to pray. Say, the spirit of discernment. Emma, we say, it is the spirit of discernment, the ability to discern the spirit. The possibility, no man after the flesh, because not every nobody will be in a situation and no person or no sorry or person or the cow until you have to discern near person or no sorry because of a wasem near person or the cow.
So for the person chene say esunobia one wen
yes
and esunobia or sorry
no correct
so be na no we say nipa one wen is almost say na crying. And it was a crab at the end. Enough way, so the only and then some no I had there and cassa. So you know, what was so betty and send be a bobo home by a friend. You may be a young giant when you go to two. Crophobia or Mama, you ready say, O man who quine or best strike. Walk to me, your own man, you are not the above him. Name will move be when near, but me who cackle. Ye cheer wamba. Now see a bass of Becoswa cassa. Best answer my own so quite. And so afraid na kakra so betimi aka wakaka meda for mesanso mo akwa babie mo de obaganga so minim se sabre die anytime obia ubenya hu se bre na yakeka kofo ene na 5 na de eye time a wo ehia wo pa menyina ne se ema wo sua nioma ganga nkwa na timi kyerɛkyerɛ ye nioma bebre ma wo bi woni obi te ho na nioma bi koso a obi ewani kakra de a obi hu if the Bible kora say yemi yani na what is abo to da bia wani da ho say ya na nso esan say we ye ni free enti be hu na obi de sex no de aye online e be wi akire do hu say mi hu bibi nso asema hye da mpa anya se eno ene ne nyame atom menya nyame sofo ha no ma oda the radiant place asori ano a omuhia ewo Tesano Royal Hotel ewo Tesano Hotel, the only say, one of the place, free. Abeka Junction, I said, the Uramusano, hotel for fair Fabina, white, say, wall, Bina, Hong Kong, I'll be home, palm, wine, and near Enyasam Kitwa, a ho and a sofa, one in the dome, Omushia. Now, make us round when Yasam Kitwa. And it also so be Honomoa. So, men who can now pass Soria and stretch a womb as Messi Brebi. I sweat me up Sundays and Fridays be Omushia. So from mesanso mo akwaba and then some wa okay kanu na me ni amani pa bebre atranse yi e bi say ye nsam we mete ya kage yi bebu mi kwase enko wa mu obi si so no so te ya enka ni pe oba ne che ya no odwen se nadamfo no odwen se ni ku no odwen se ne boyfriend ke wa ha no ho sa so for boy reflex be and I hwe ni me ka say reflex es bibi asem bibesia afran kan si sumum na so ho frama kakra bebo enti nioma be sa na yenhwe ni mu na yehu se akwai odi bachi o hyeda anya baba pacho kan etamu na afedi
mpacho mate I hear people say that experience is the best teacher say wo fa bibi mu a etumi kire bibi but me hu bi wa ko prison aba o san so be yes sa bone ni bi o me san so na ko prison bi
na prison anyone
so I don't believe that experience is completely a best teacher, but I believe that a teachable experience is always the best teacher. So first of all, the first red flag you should expect is what I call success flag.
Success flag.
Yes. And not just say we die ebi ayeti ya na obi abrel Bentley. Me mpewase mo na I say me pewase mo obi abrel Bentley afi ya de car na bre wa me hu car na yede nyame asio bia keke bi ntimi so me ka bi me fi wa kra ntimi kra mfro bi an kai zei I could not call you and wo frame kwa amemfa. This is a sudden success red flag. And no
say kanipa ne ni jima wade a nyame de adom wo no
good
empacho mi busa o tire je so obi a bu ho kra bia na ukuta bag bi efe
yes
obi a say efe so no ka ho no wonka ensango na ka ho
they are the first people to suspect say a first red flag you have to be very careful about because obi wo mu a because of the level of envy senia o envy wo nintino adibia eyefe wo hu bi obi aka say efe no no nani so no enye the fair because enkura nsem ane obi ofri say ekura nsem ntino enye papa
so for ye enti sa enkrofo omo so obu ha wo che na de ohu ade bi efe wo de a che no wo che na wo expect sa anya hwe kura nka wo de ka wo frem po nka say thank you na wan kan eyomani na emi na so omo so eyifo no
there are people a omo dwen say wo more than your ama omo no
nti omo kra de omo bu asanfu
anyone who appreciate anyone who don't appreciate depreciate
ye nani
so bibia otumi kase odawasehwe drink we ye si hei se wudu baby na so bi ma o sa drink we se nom na so bi tumi bi na no kase odawase a eno kire say the person appreciate you not just the drink and so bi anka nyese nani mie ye odwe nani kra nso ebi o se o me ko ne dem me ko hu se bag be se 20 na wo ho na watem sa bag ba ku bia odi amame nti ade na eso odawase no kra no onam baby no didi watem wo ho it's a very serious red flag to look at
so for to aso
okay now the second level of ade etosu mienu a eye red flag ese wo hwe ne yi pa any enkofo a omo have expectation about you before they become nice. I want to put it well. Obi wo ma won ne nam no say wanye bibia ama no e ma na ehunu a one wonya nice da nti oye wadanfo but every time no you have to do something to keep the relationship.
Ti asa nipa na da bia say wutwa wuti fa de to plate to ma no.
We be mani hunu na wanya saade na ebi a wo frɛ no kro onfa oye bibia ma okro bejai nti you have to go
ana obusa bibi na wanya ma no na watiada enu nti na ne adamfo ye no kra
adamfo ye no yetwem kra ebi so ana sambre no kra no saade no wonni bia mpa nti saa nipa ko no wo kwa ahoyehie mu a forget no nya wadamfo bio because say wonni bia ene enu ana wo bi na wo ye ma no ene wonni bi afi wo frɛ no onfa wo ne ka so ye yi wo bi se so ba no ye o se o se mbisa we yi no kwa fama me onim nya wo ye den
wo ko ana se wo bibi ye
enti onye a friend indeed wo kwa ho kire mu a wo hunu da wo wi ase no bibi so se na danfo kra ne wo kra obi bi se no kra beka se onim wo baby a
so for nsam no de de ma me nko me LPM yi so LPM kura betete me kura katia dey and so I say so for me my Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic almost so you saying Indomie tastes great. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. Vodafone also the future is exciting. Ready G-Fast Herbal was a papa CB men and women capsules was a Johnson na Philly Johnson what Johnson as when it chance to be sano so I say DBS roofing sheet when him say omo the roofing sheet papa pa no be and na one more ton Remy Spices or see a mediane a yet de ankasa Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa efie man capo be man be ma wo gina hwa net nim pabo atimi yesi ke so ati ase yes wo gina ne na so ankasa man capo or see show your crutch powers Carrotone say wo ba bia ma wo honam entoso kama na wo ko anwane anya so dependable herbal say ebibidro nyina mu ahoden Mensarona Marie gripe water Emma enkwala yem eda honomo kama Emma wo mutimi da Emma ma me utimi ye wade Dana Plus diapers was a quality comes first Maina Zen was will be antimi and your customers Farmer Trust to say professionalism integrity and career building dark and lovely or some dark and lovely Inkulenu palm base or Ghanaian original base Levron 2 contraceptives as well as makatira wo de nyi se ne se de Ghana for me my hot no wo de nyi se ko trapo be me bi One ko hwe ho so yi wode sare ofre na wo no awomfa timpa chokoto bi e fa bo ho ban golden malaria suspension wo batan asombejo no batan ma baby sanso na high lady virgin herbal intimate wash eno na ye me de no hwe wo ma ukun ko swimi nsuo bi a enye bi a oto nsuo no wa swimi mo amase ayan hwedifo no ene emufuo no eho no mo cham be man be swimi a obepie no na na ni ayan kokon tu busa na so hwe obesanso kra bo asom koto bi ebe ma ho no mai twan ene okohye mu a da obepie na je so obevotu so ati ase ti bo modern answer obeko akwakoji high lady Cetapol a long tradition of trusted effective quality medicines luma trauma eno de wa wonim dada se wo batan bia koto bi fama wo ba na malaria ene ho sunsanso bia etimi ayi ne ho e de amount Cerelac says start healthy and stay healthy mo ankwala nketwa ayaye mom banku no kwala no obenyi kakra bi na ne mo maso aye den na ne ni aha no I said don little no as we see ma ba Cerelac kwala no obeyem prom kama na for wetimi akweni what I say Mavis insecticide spray and coil omodi afa bi egugu honom spray entontom na omodi omani ase den no Mr Chef or said the taste of tradition royal aroma rice for all moments when it's oba so fie be yeda e se aduane wo honom enti kotobi na ma fie enti me enyede na ne kura no royal king cracker or say I day for you me wo homa ti oba papa u ko fie papa odende ne biscuit na nam o won fa hwe nkonti bo ba ben ya obi ehun de o bebie pon e bi ato biscuit fako o manyina be ya langade wo gate na no wo bo mu papa na o ma bie so mu se papa de bibi beba wa fa hwe anko so ko wasan so amuna kola be ne be fi papa yenko yenim enyumaku we omuna eso ya sem ye de dwumadi ne de bre kama na dwumadi ne etimi ekoyi still me wo sofo ha na emom ebre no aya bia ne sa enti sofo o last words na afi wo de wo number atodwa ede amaye enka na nne ka mpese kan krofo fre bre na ye be metam de wo sen krofo area ne nyina ti be manage ne aka no timpa cho my last words na afi fa wo number to amaye
my last word is that if somebody is obi hweme sesia ye wo onyonko bi a o chenyonko nyina a ye fe ne Yesu enti se wo ho a na bia wo hweme a I want you to rather make Jesus the friend of your life. And I believe that you will never be disappointed, you will never regret in your life. That is my last word, that Jesus is all you need to provide all your needs.
Jesus is all you need
to provide
all your needs. Papa, we any rhymes and yasam kitwa. Mpacha o number.
Sesia ubetumi afre me ewo 0246 328984 0246 328984
Okay.
024
Wow, na man why ran is
no 0242 0246 0246 328984. You can call me on WhatsApp on it, and I'll be glad to pray with you.
Sir, so for one thing, Ghana and the numbers no. Ghana numbers no I just obre wo ho anga so obi tie kire no hwe nipa na no na nipa no ba na wa je so wo hwe no kra be wo se na obi na ebo na wo da bi berafo ha na ne de adwumadi ni AC me ka kire wo se nyame ya doma on the 21st of this month ye ba Kumasi CCF ye ba Kumasi na say the last topic na ye sha se na eno an ye betwa so e wo ho no mo medical abo wa mane se this time no ye hwe pornography ko fo bebre age atum